Dear students, our metabolic activities are controlled by a particular proteins or enzymes. They are responsible for the characteristics. Genes are responsible for the synthesis of these proteins. That is, gene contain information for protein synthesis. Genes are nothing but the parts of DNA which is the part of chromosome present in the nucleus of every cell. Thus, genes are responsible for the specific characteristics. We know amino acids are the units of protein. 20 amino acids are present in our body. We know protein synthesis takes place in ribosomes. Thus, the messages of protein synthesis must reach from the DNA in the nucleus to the ribosome in the cytoplasm. Look at the DNA present in nucleus and ribosome present in cytoplasm. The DNA produces messenger RNA or mRNA that carries informations from DNA, reaches ribosome and controls protein synthesis. Look how mRNA formed from the DNA strand. This mRNA comes out of the nucleus through nuclear pores and they reach to the cytoplasm. They combines with the ribosomes in cytoplasm. And here the synthesis of protein takes place. The transfer RNA or tRNA that carry amino acids to the ribosome and fix the amino acids in sequence. This uniquely arranged amino acids are the proteins. This is the protein with different types of amino acids. That is mRNA or messenger RNA that carries information from DNA, reaches the ribosome and controls protein synthesis. The transfer RNA or tRNA that carry amino acids to the ribosomes. The rRNA or ribosomal RNA are the RNA present in ribosomes. These are different kinds of RNAs. Now I think you understand the role of messenger RNA in protein synthesis and the activities that takes place in the nucleus and also the activities that takes place in the cytoplasm. Thus, you can easily prepare a flowchart including the process involved in protein synthesis. First of all, messenger RNA forms from DNA. This mRNA reaches outside the nucleus. Messenger RNA reaches ribosome. Transfer RNA brings different kinds of amino acids to the ribosome. Based on the information in mRNA, protein is synthesized by adding the amino acids in ribosome. Now you can understand why hemophilia is considered as a genetic disorder. Because here the protein is not produced because of the gene defect. Write a short note about protein synthesis in your notebook. Thank you.